guys, there is going to be some thunderstorms this afternoon. All the rain's starting to come down already, but there's a big warning out for thunderstorms today. It looks like a really big opportunity, so get ready. I think we had like a mini thunderstorm this morning, but there's going to be some more. As you can see, some big cumulus clouds, which mean because in these directions there also are thunderstorms scattered all around. There's some currently in London, there's some up in Luton which is coming this way. But just look at this. Oh my gosh. Literally some lightning in Luton right now. And it does look like there's a thunderstorm coming over. What is that? Okay, I'm going to get you a view out the front because it looks better out there. Let's go. Right guys, we're here out the front. And look at this. Whoa, oh my gosh. Okay guys, open the window. Okay, look at that. And just a look over there. Wow. Oh my gosh. Guys, expect some thunderstorms not long from now. But yeah, I'll keep you updated if we get some lightning and thunder. But yeah, bye guys.